Welcome to the whatever installment of Getting Chatty with Maddie, where I get in the kitchen and make something. Today, our delicacy is mac and cheese. And we have a very special surprise for all of you. In fact, my very first special guest on this show.
Oh. It's good. I'm too tall for it too. Hey.
Today, we are listening to Mozart making mac and cheese. It already started off in a disaster. Mom ruined the pot that we always make mac and cheese in, and it's usually a lot bigger than this. So, to kind of commemorate the little pot, we're also using a little spoon today.
Spooning.
Did I even introduce you?
Oh no.
Oh,
Hi,
well,
camera.
This is Colby. He's my boyfriend.
Maybe.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's fine. Anyways, we're Getting Chatty with Maddie. We talk about everything and nothing at the same time. Typically, I just talk about whatever is on my mind. It's boiling. In this case, it would be school.
School.
So, I feel like it would only be appropriate since school is starting in a week.
Shout out. Oh yes, thank you. So you want to sprinkle it in there so you can get the spread in flavor.
I think we're supposed to cook it for... Wait, where's the box?
Oh, it's 10 minutes.
Oh,
One sec.
Oh, no. Things have already gone bad.
Sorry, Mom.
Ow. I've heard that if you put a metal spoon over it, it won't boil over.
Works.
That's not true. Ow. Okay, well, the water's already really hot, and we have to just... Please. It's gonna boil over. Frick.
How are we gonna get through college? Oh my gosh.
Top ramen doesn't need a stove. We just washed our cars, so they're all fun and fresh for the school year, so we'll be riding up, you know, BD.
Riding up in our hip clothing, drifting, am I right? I've never been thrifting.
That's a lie!
I've never bought anything.
I've taken you how many times?
I can count my hands. Oh. Maybe reading the story will cool it down. My husband robbed and I wore the okay, now I'm with an accent. How's the mac and cheese coming?
Terribly.
Oh,
Just kidding. Do you want to get into the cabinet right there and grab some salt for flavor? You can see your light. You can turn on the light. Yay! I haven't finished my summer homework. I barely even started it. How are you doing on your summer homework?
I've started. I'm only on chapter 7 out of 60.
So we figured out the mac and cheese. She's not boiling over anymore, which is great.
It's
It's
a she.
fantastic. Yes, obviously. I've been in the same classes with the same, 27, 30 people for all 4 years of high school.
You don't want to make new friends?
No! And the thing is, it's like I've been in the same class, same people for... I'm gonna zoom into that. But, see, I don't even have the opportunity to make new friends because they all know me.
What about, gym and all that?
I don't take gym.
When'd you do gym?
I didn't.
You didn't?
Mm-mm.
Oh. Cause my mom, she's like, should we eat lunch there? I'm like, I don't know. And she's like, she gives me a bag of, or a tub of protein bars. And I'm just comparing it to yours. I'm like, wow, she eats more protein bars than I do.
A tub?
20.
Wait, what'd you do with the tub of protein bars?
They're on the counter.
Was she just here, eat?
Yeah. Oh, thank you, Mom. Yes.
Oh wait, no, I have 2 left.
I'll get to it.
My favorite protein.
Thanks.
My favorite protein bars for the school year are X bars. They're really fun and delicious and fun and fresh.
And coming soon, Atkins. Sponsored.
I think I burnt it. It even has a little picture of a book. That would look nice.
Oh.
It's just me.
It's bunny pasta. That's actually kind of brutal.
That is not vegan!
Welcome back!
It zooms into your face right now, almond milk in it.
Put some almond milk in it. It's too hot.
Have a couple. Make us YouTube famous, please.
It only costs
Please?
you $5 a day.
Share with your friends. Comment down below.
We need like a close-up of mixing.
Okay.
Yeah?
Oh, let's get this montage.
Oh yeah. So you're gonna want to mix it as hard as you can. Get that real cheese in.
I need to
I
restart
don't want to whisk.
You spilled.
Yeah, the one rabbit.
Oh, Toby. Okay. Now we're gonna put in some Johnny's garlic spread and seasoning. Alright everybody, that's it for this week's video, Getting Chatty with Maddie. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure you give it a like down below. Click the subscribe button, get me to 200 subscribers. And have a great day. See you on the flip side. And then like salute to the camera. Right?